How to request money with PayPal. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can request money with PayPal. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to log in into your PayPal account on the application or on the paypal.com through a browser. So once you're logged in and if you're verified on PayPal, navigate at the bottom of your home page. There you will have an option to send and request. So tap on send and request at the bottom, then select request. After that, you'll be taken into next page where you have to enter the recipient information. Type the email address or phone number of the person that you want to request the money from. Once you're done with that, now enter the amount that you want to request, and also you could add a note if you want. Once you're done with that, tap on request or send to send the money request, and then the person will get a notification. So that's it. You have successfully requested money on PayPal, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.